Alright, we still cruise on DTR album launch inside Red Hat Lodge and Conference Center. JIT boy all the way from Bolga, Upper East region. But he stayed in Tamale. Okano to tap something be a rough guy on the DTR album launch. Okay, JIT boy. DTR album launch. Tineka Canada to tap song. How do you feel to be part of the program and a comment in your Shangazan channel?
Oh, Rough guy has been an inspiration to me.
Okay.
I've been following him way back from Burger before I even came here.
Okay.
Yeah, I've been listening to him and he has been an inspiration to me. And I pray like this should be big, you know. Who knows? It should be way more than this, but we just start from somewhere and move on. Yeah.
Okay. Alright. So about JIT boy himself, what should we expect from you? Be it a concert, an album, or like a music video or songs?
Yeah. I have a song coming out called Win.
Win. Okay.
Yeah. It will be dropping soon.
Okay.
Probably next month it will be dropping.
Alright.
Yeah. And I don't only record, I'm not only an artist, but I'm a producer.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
JIT boy, I produce.
Okay.
Yeah.
So where is your studio? Is it in Tamale or in
Yeah,
Bolga?
it's in
Wow,
Tamale.
wow. Okay, that's JIT boy for you. Be it maybe even if you are an artist, you can just buy JIT boy for your quality sound production. Okay.
Yeah.
We thank you and thank you for your time for being part of this. Thank you.
Okay. All the best.
Like it to the tomb, because I'm born to have him. Come on, how?